AirPods Pro 3 automatic switching between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac relies on Apple's ecosystem. This feature uses Bluetooth, iCloud, and handoff to connect to the device you're actively using. All devices must be signed into the same Apple ID and running compatible software like iOS 18 Plus, macOS Sequoia 15 Plus, and iPadOS 18 Plus. Recent updates have improved reliability, but common problems persist. If switching isn't working, check that all devices are on the latest software and that Bluetooth and iCloud sync are active. Failures can stem from Bluetooth interference, Wi-Fi congestion, or software glitches, often resolved by ensuring consistent iOS macOS versions. If your AirPods Pro 3 aren't switching automatically, start with basic troubleshooting. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart your devices, and forget and repair your AirPods. To forget and repair, place your AirPods in their case, close the lid, wait 30 seconds, then open the lid and press the setup button on the back until the status light flashes amber, and then reconnect through your iPhone or Mac's Bluetooth settings. For more advanced fixes, reset network settings or use Apple's Find My app to unpair and repair. Software is the main culprit, with 60% of issues from software glitches instead of hardware. Make sure to keep everything updated and prevent failures. Also, interference from other devices can cause issues, so turn off Bluetooth on devices that are not in use. If all else fails, contact Apple support for diagnostics.